padamu.
Welcome back to Aysel's World. Today I'm unboxing a board game. So let's open the box. This is what is inside it. Could I tell you what are these things? So this is our platform. These are the things on our platform. And this is the little snow bear. This is the two hammers. If you know this game, please like and subscribe. I have this dice here. Okay, could I tell you how to play? So first we need to turn the platform so we could fix the boxes. Now we fix the platform and now we will start the game. I'll be playing with my mom and dad. Okay, let me tell you how to play. So we have this guy over here. We have this one. That means you could choose any of these blocks. And then we have this one. We need a smash. Okay, so we need to put this polar bear right over here, and then when we make land in this one, we need to smash one of the dark green. Then over here we could do any. Then over here we could do one of the whites. Then over here we could do the light blue. Then over here we need to skip a turn. Okay, let's get into it. I could choose any. Oh guys, I forgot to say that when we hammer and the bear falls down, that means the people who did that loses. Okay guys, I'll be playing this with my mom now, and when you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye.